Regional Institute of Medical Science RIMS Imphal na sinduna World Liver Day pangthokre. RIMS ki OPD complex ta pangthokiba thoramadu Solid Habits Strong Liver haiba team gi makada pangthoki. Thoramadu na liver health awareness hengatnaba amadi mangjawnana miyamna Jackson Thorang Singh Lokhat Haunaba gidamakta ahenba miyeng thamki. Thoramadu the Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma, Director RIMS Imphal, Professor N. Sanjib Singh, Medical Superintendent RIMS Hospital Imphal, R.K. Mekol Singh, Deputy Director Administration Nachingba Saruyaki, Loinana Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma, Ahenba Trauma Intensive Care Unit, ICU Amadi Trauma Operation Theatre OTG Room Singh, Hospital Sige Casualty Building da ngasidagi hangtoki.
Resident and junior residents from Department of Medicine and went on the day 2026 with the theme of one of the highest contribution of death. And if you look at the world number, I think India has the maximum deaths from liver disease, strong liver. I think Professor Romeo have spoken about that. Styles, engage in some activities, reduce alcohol intake, and also you can think about screening from time to time. Like once a year you can go for a different investigations required. I think most easy is LFT, and then you can also go for screening ultrasound, FibroScan we have, so I think we can all engage to those machines. So I stop drugs so hoigi ngasigi media gi through the public ta haja ningi se liver disease preventable ni have sini aduga yam akoina section lagadi masi even I know that most of the admissions in the medicine department is due to alcohol liver disease. This is one of the major threat, and in a state like Manipur, look at we can reduce non-alcoholic liver disease also. So all leads to cirrhosis and death. So the most preventable thing, as I keep on saying, so I know ngasigi World Liver